welcome the newest members of the first Vitaplus Official Speakers Bureau. Vita Nation, palakpakan naman po natin Miss Angelique Baltazar, Mr. Arnold Vincent Semplina, Miss Celine Salvador, Mr. Ronel Balacquiao, and Mr. Christian Alcorcon. Congratulations po! You are our newest junior official speakers. Okay. And now, please join me in this next segment of tonight's program, and I'm very excited to announce the newest developments in First Vitaplus. Excited na po ba ang lahat?
Yes!
Okay. First, I give you our July edition of the Vitalife catalog, showcasing all new product pages, feature articles, including select dealers, and their stories of First Vitaplus legacies to their families. Starting tomorrow po, you can already get your copies from the head office for only 199 pesos. Okay. So on with the next announcement. Okay, Mindanao, may mga taga Mindanao po ba dito ngayon? Okay, on July 16, this coming Saturday, magkikita-kita po tayo sa Mindanao sa inaabangan ninyong Kabaitaan Mindanao Sizzle at the Davao City Recreation Center, formerly Almendras Gym, Quezon Boulevard in Davao City. Okay? At may mga taga-Visayas po ba dito? Okay, dahil ang next po na pupuntahan ko, samahan niyo ako sa Cebu Kabaitaan Sizzle in August 2022. So, stay tuned lang po sa ating FB page para po sa detalye ng ating Visayan Sizzle. Okay? And now, my beloved dealers, please join me in welcoming the newest members of the first Vitaplus family. From the north, welcome Lawag Product Center, owned and operated by Romano Benedicto de la Cruz Lim. There, thank you po sir, thank you for being here. Next, we have our Romblon Product Center, owned and operated by Mr. Ricardo Alcorcon Jr. There. June. Okay. And our newest mobile virtual enterprise or MOVE is from Tawi-Tawi in Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, owned and operated by Wendell and Leia Insoy. Thank you for being here. And from down under, welcome to our new international mobile virtual enterprise or iMove in Australia, owned and operated by Annalyn Cruz Tolentino. There's Annalyn. Hello, Annalyn. Thank you all the way from Australia. Thank you for being here. Okay, so palakpakan naman po natin our newest addition to our growing First Vitaplus family. Okay, next, our latest addition to the current product line.
Lamig ka? Hindi.
Problema mo ba ang hair fall? Marami na guess. O manipis o paninipis ng buhok? Narito na po ang solusyon sa inyong mga hair fall problems. Introducing from P Solutions, the Patrice Herbal Hair Solutions Google Cleanse Hair Strengthening Shampoo with aloe vera and rockweed. Strengthens and thickens hair as well as stimulates hair growth. Patrice Herbal Hair Solution, may pag-asa Bong and Manny, meron pa, is enriched with aloe vera plant extracts that gently cleans the hair and scalp, leaving the hair's natural oils, strengthening hair, stimulates hair growth, aiding in anti-hair fall. Also blended with rockweed containing many of the essential nutrients to ensure hair growth. Okay? Di pa huli ang lahat, Manny and Bob.
Manimbong.
Okay. Pag napatuto ko talaga yan.
Idol Manny.
And now, I am able to give you what many have been clamoring for, a healthy and convenient combination of platinum line variants in one power pack. Introducing the Platinum Combo Power Pack. Includes
Platinum.
3 health packs of Guyabano Platinum and 3 health packs of Pineapple Platinum. It is the best and perfect combination for all your platinum needs. Okay. Next is the latest addition to our in-demand food supplement capsules under the Gold product line.
Hindi makita, no?
Introducing the Liver Plus Food Supplement Capsules Power Pack. Liver Plus Food Capsule Supplements is formulated with milk thistle, where studies show that it is often promoted for its liver protecting effects and supplementing against liver damage. Liver Plus is also formulated with celery. Some of the known traditional benefits of celery includes as a diuretic that helps to relieve excess water and helps to treat kidney and gallbladder stones. Okay? Our
Dami nga yan, bago,
variant is the Kidney Pro Food Supplement Capsules Power Pack. Kidney Pro Food Supplement Capsule is formulated with sambong, a local herb that is known to be popular among people with kidney problems because of its diuretic qualities. Also formulated with alpha-lipoic acid, known to be a great supplement for treating diabetes and nerve-related symptoms of diabetes, including burning, pain, and numbness in the legs and arms. ALA has been shown to help support insulin sensitivity and cardiovascular health. Both the Liver Plus Food Supplement Capsules Power Pack and the Kidney Pro Food Supplement Capsules Power Pack fall under the Gold product line. Okay, Vitanation! And now, one of the major highlights of tonight's announcement. Ang tanong, Vitanation, gusto nyo bang sumabay sa paghataw? Gusto nyo bang sumakay sa malakas? Sa matatag? At sa malakas at mas malaki ang kita? Do you want to go bigger? Do you want to go faster? Do you want to go and get better? By the nation, here's what you have all been waiting platform.
The journey to success is never easy. 2020 and 2021 were not easy. Our agility, unity, and faith were tested. We stayed focused. We remained true to our purpose. We became loyal to our dream. We choose to move forward. Let us continue to keep building our dreams, grow our people, and pursue our targets. We are all champions. We are all winners. We are all visionaries. We are loyal, and our family are true believers. Let us all turn our setbacks to opportunities. And let us all come back stronger than ever. Let us all celebrate a grateful, positive, and bright 2022 as First Vitaplus continues to grow. Welcome to the First Vitaplus Nation. We will go bigger. We will be faster. We will be better.
Vita Nation, introducing the first Vitaplus Income Accelerator Program S2.0. A leveled up standard marketing plan,
Wow! Ano kaya yan?
an Income Accelerator Program S2.0 is now a more superior version of the standard marketing plan. It is a program designed to level up the standard marketing plan with a fast-track earning scheme and a more superior network building platform.
Wow!
Under the IAP S2.0, tatlo po, 3 ang IAP packages or IPAC na pwedeng bilhin ng dealer para ma-fast track ang earning scheme. Are you ready for this, Vita Nation?
Yes!
The first IAP package or IPAC is the Venture Package.
Venture package.
Ang Venture Package po consists of 3 heads or 3 dealership accounts.
Wow!
At sa bawat Venture Package na mabebenta mo, you get an IPAC sales commission of 3,500
Wow!
per Venture Package sold. With a maximum income potential of 900,000 a month.
Wow, grabe.
Okay pa po ba yan?
Yes!
And that is just the first package. So, ang pangalawa, the second IAP package or IPAC is the Commerce Package.
Commerce.
The Commerce Package consists of 7 heads or 7 dealership accounts. And the best part about selling a commerce package is you, as a dealer, kikita ka ng sales commission na 8,000 pesos for every commerce package sold. With a maximum income potential of 2.1 million pesos a month.
Wow, grabe.
So, I already gave you two. Meron pa pong isa. So, we reserve the best for last. The third IAP package is the Enterprise package.
Enterprise.
The Enterprise package consists of 15 heads or 15 dealership accounts. And do you want to know how much your IPAC sales commission is? Gusto niyo po bang malaman?
Yes.
Okay, syempre, sa bawat enterprise package na mabenta mo, you get a sales commission of 16,000 pesos for every enterprise package sold. With a maximum potential income of 4.5 million pesos a month. Woo! Power!
Yes.
So, Barker Nation! Get ready to get bigger! Dahil mas pinalaki na ang kitaan! Get ready to go faster kasi pinabilis na ang network building platform mo! And get ready to be better dahil mas superior na ang ating standard marketing plan. 20 years by the nation! Panahon na para mag-level up! Kasama ang Income Accelerator Program S2.0 happening on August 8, 2022. Woo! And by the nation, my final announcement for tonight.
Wow, ganda. Wow! Woo! Woo! Gusto ko yan! Gusto ko yan! Gusto ko yan!
One lucky winner will get to drive home the January 2023 Grand Raffle Prize.
Wow!
A top-of-the-line 2023 Nissan Navara 2.5 liters Pro 4X automatic transmission 4x4.
Wow! Grabe!
Hindi lang po yan, 21 lucky winners will also get to have to join po sa ating 21,000 raffle draw. Okay? So, hataw pa more by the nation!
Yay!
At magkikita-kita po tayo sa January 8, 2023
Yes!
sa Vitaverse, our 21st anniversary celebration dito po muli sa Smart Araneta Coliseum.
Yes!
Kaya po maraming salamat sa inyong lahat and a great, unstoppable, unbeatable, and unbreakable morning to all of you, my Vitaverse! I love you all! Maraming pong salamat!
Thank you very much. Once again, and a round of applause, our President and CEO of Noy, Nakakatupala! And now joining us in this extraordinary celebration, very talented, funny, and beautiful. Already part of her first Vitaplus family, she has hosted Vegas Live many years. Beauty queen, news favorite columnist, award-winning singer, actress, comedian, all together, the brilliant Miss Giselle.